What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this USB-C docking station, dual monitor with 96 adapter. Yeah, this docking station comes with two HDMI ports which offers dual 4K output, and this one also comes with a 96 watt adapter, so it's easy to power our laptops. Not only that, this one also offers 18 watt PD output so that we can recharge our smartphones or any other gadgets that we wanna recharge. The usual price of this docking station is $99.99 US, but sometimes on Amazon there are different type of discounts, so yeah, if you're lucky enough, maybe you will get it a bit cheaper than that. I had to pay $99.99 US, and even at $100 price, this one actually offers a very good value for money. This one is a 12-in-1 Thunderbolt 3 docking station. That means this one comes with 12 different ports. Well, without wasting any more time, let's start from unboxing and let's go through the testing process. You can see I have my MacBook Pro M1 Max, I have my Surface Book Pro and a mini PC over here. We actually use this type of computers, this type of PCs in our studio, so I have got all these three ready over here to go through the testing process. Okay, before we start this video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel, support honest content. Here is our NewQ docking station. I really like this packaging. Wow, it looks pretty nice. Very simple, but you can see, wow, there are some designs on the box, but at a glance you won't see it. And I really like the idea of having a very simple packaging. They haven't written a lot of things on the box. Some brands like start bragging by printing a lot of things on the box, and yeah, there is nothing on this box, so I really like this box. Well, let's do the unboxing. Well, after opening the top lid, here comes a HDMI display setup guidance, HDMI display for Mac OS, and HDMI display setup guidance for Windows OS. We will go through these later. There is a user guide. Yeah, there are a lot of illustrations, so you don't have to worry about how to use this product. Inside the box, there are two boxes. The small box on top is actually carrying the docking station. Before we unwrap that, let's see what other accessories we have got inside this box. There is a AC adapter cable. Wow, it's really big but very light. This is a 96 watt adapter, and this is actually from a very good brand, and wow, this one is certified by Intertech and there are a lot of certifications, CE, TUV. Wow, cool. Wow, inside the box they have even provided two cable management tools. These are not cheap quality ones, very good quality ones. Wow. Finally, here comes our NewQ 12-in-1 docking station. There are a lot of stickers. Wow, on these stickers they have written everything clearly. They have mentioned that this one supports up to 4K 60 Hz, so it's a great thing. There is another sticker which says please plug in the DC power before you use it. Well, here comes our NewQ 12-in-1 docking station. Yeah, I like this design language, this two-tone design language. This is built with metal, there is aluminum frame, and on top they have used plastic to give it a unique and better outlook and appearance. Alright, here comes all the ports. There is a DC 12V port, there is a USB-C port which supports up to 18 watt PD power delivery. There are two USB 2.0 ports which supports up to 480 megabit per second of data transfer. There is a Ethernet port, a SD card slot, a micro SD card slot, and two USB 3.0 ports which supports up to 5 gigabit per second data transfer rate. Altogether, this one feels very premium. In hand, this is very light, and the Thunderbolt cable is actually built in. This is a Thunderbolt 3 cable, so yeah, speed shouldn't be an issue, and the quality of the cable is very premium quality. I really like this design because it's very easy to put my laptop on top of it, and when it placed correctly, no laptop is gonna move, no laptop is gonna wobble, and all the ports are available at the back. That's a very good design. And as we can place the docking station upside down without any issue, we can use the cable from both the sides. It doesn't matter whether we wanna use the cable on the right side or the left side. Okay, we are gonna use a 4K portable monitor to test this docking station. We are also gonna use this one with with my other laptops and other computers with other monitors, but let's go through the testing first. I have connected the adapter, I have connected the PD out. This PD out is actually powering the portable monitor, and yeah, the 4K HDMI port is connected to the external portable monitor. So let's see whether we can get 4K 60Hz output or not. Well, you can clearly see that this NewQ 12-in-1 docking station supports 4K output with 60Hz refresh rate. This is really amazing because most of the other docking stations also supports 4K, but they cannot offer 60Hz. Mostly goes up to 30Hz, but this one can support 60Hz. And most importantly, this one is not only able to deliver 4K 60Hz from a Windows-based laptop, this one can also do the same from a MacBook or a macOS-based computers. Let me show you. Here you can clearly see from my MacBook Pro M1 Max, I am also getting 4K output and 60Hz refresh rate. Moreover, this docking station can deliver very good power output and recharge my MacBook Pro M1 Max or any other laptops while using this along with external display and many other accessories. At the beginning, I have also mentioned that this one comes with 2 USB 3.0 ports, so data transfer rate should be very good, right? Let's check that. I have connected my external hard disk with my MacBook Pro M1 Max through this docking station. Let's check what type of data transfer rate can we get. Here is our external hard disk. Okay, here you can clearly see we are getting very good data transfer rate, almost 400 megabyte per second write and almost 350 megabyte per second write. That's good enough considering that we are using a SATA external drive. Okay, we have tested almost everything. 4K 60Hz output, 5 gigabit per second data transfer rate, and there is one more thing I wanna test. Finally, I'm gonna try to recharge my iPhone 14 Pro Max with this docking station. Let's see whether we can get up to 18 watt of power delivery or not. Here comes confirmation. We are definitely getting up to 18 watt of power delivery. I think that we are even getting 20 watt of power delivery. So that's really amazing. Now I'm truly in love with this one. And you know what? Actually, I have tried to use this one with many other different monitors, many other different systems. We have tried this with a mini PC. We have tried this NewQ 12-in-1 docking station with our Mac Studio Ultra, and this one has actually performed with all the different computers, all the different systems. Now finally, I want to talk about something that I should mention in this video. As you can see over here, when we use this docking station in extended mode, we can use up to 2 different monitors. There are different type of extended modes like ABC, ABB, and for macOS we can do mirroring or extension without any issues. But I must mention that if you are using a MacBook Air or any other laptop which doesn't support 4K 60Hz display output through mirroring and extension, then it may not provide 4K 60Hz. But that doesn't mean this device itself doesn't offer 4K 60Hz. I have already shown this one offers 4K 60Hz, but to get that 4K 60Hz, you have to have the correct laptop or correct PC which offers that type of display output.
So instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting.
Well, that's all about this NewQ 12-in-1 Thunderbolt 3 dock or docking station, whatever you say. I call it a hub, and yeah, one more time, this one comes with a Ethernet port, so if you want to use Ethernet cable with this one, that one also works perfectly fine. And this SD card reader also offers very fast SD card read-write speed. That's all for today. If you have any questions, then please don't forget to make a comment and let me know in the comment section below. I will be very happy to reply your comment. And yeah, there is an international smartphone giveaway going on for the subscribers of this channel. If you are subscribed to this channel, then please don't forget to make a comment and join the giveaway. But please don't spam, because spammers will get disqualified. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Oh yeah, I have left a link of this product in the description box below. If you are interested, go ahead, check that link.
I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate